Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to lecture 1 of the S7 Advanced PLC Programming course. In this lecture we are going to learn about PLC. What is PLC? History and purpose of PLC. PLC leading brands. PLC architecture. Advantage of PLC over relay logic. Application areas. PLC programming software. Types of communication and PLC programming languages. What is PLC? PLC is an industrial computer control system that continuously monitors the state of input devices and makes decisions based on a custom program to control the state of output devices. The PLC has the ability to change and replicate the operation or process while collecting and communicating vital information. The concept of PLC for the very first time was developed in 1968. By the passage of time, there was further development in terms of PLC's hardware, processing instructions, PLC memory, the ability to process more IOs, counters, arithmetic operations, remote IO system, intelligent IO modules, enhanced communication facilities, compatible software development, modular PLC, low-cost PLC, PLC networking, and SCADA system. Purpose of PLC: lower cost, faster production, better quality control, increased productivity, easy modification, systemized components or process, freedom from repetitive and sometimes dangerous tasks, less wiring, easy troubleshooting, and reliable components. Leading brands of PLC. Here are some of the most well-known PLC brands in the United States, Europe, and Japan. PLC architecture. Major components of a PLC includes the processor, power supply, programming device, input modules, and output modules. Advantage of PLC over relay logic. There are 4 major benefits of PLC over relay logic: reliability, easy troubleshooting, easy expandability, and smaller size. Area of applications: manufacturing, petrochemical industry, textile industry, pharmaceutical industry, packaging industry, food and beverage, metals, power, mining, and many more. PLC programming softwares. Here are some PLC brands and their PLC programming software. RS Logic 500 for Allen Bradley PLC, Unity Pro for Schneider PLC, CX1 for Omron PLC, WPL Soft for Delta PLC, WinPro Ladder for Fatec PLC, Semantic Manager TIA Portal MicroWin for Siemens PLC, GX Works for Mitsubishi PLC, Automation Builder for ABB PLC, Softmaster for Honeywell PLC, SX Programmer Expert for Fuji PLC. Types of communication in different PLCs are serial communication RS-232, RS-422, 485, CAN bus, device net, foundation field bus, Modbus, Profibus, industrial Ethernet, and Profinet. PLC programming languages: ladder logic, functional block diagram, statement list, graphical representation of ladder or FBD, structure control language, continuous function chart. Like and share the video, and for more videos like that, subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question, feel free to ask them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.